Welcome back everybody to this week's video. So today we've got a piece of cherry on the lathe and we are going to make a goblet. So the first tool we are going to use to get it around is a mid-size finisher from Easy Wood Tools, just to get off of them little high spots. And now we're going to switch to the mid-size rougher. Taking it right the way down to round here. Alright, so we're just about to make a tenon so we can hold it in the chop. And here's the detailer so it matches the angles of the jaws. And now we're just going to get rid of that nubbin. Oh dear. I don't think that was supposed to happen. Anyway, we've got it back on the lathe and we've marked out where the bottom of the cup is going to be. And we've got the mid-size detailer. And now we've switched over to the mid-size rougher to start shaping the cup. Bring the cup round at the bottom. Don't want to go too thin. Because obviously we're going to need to hollow it out. Here's the mid-size detailer. Once again, you don't want to go too thin because you want to have a bit of support for hollowing it out. There you go. As you can see, there's a few cracks in this bit of cherry, so we're going to deal with them right now. So we're going to use a bit of 5-minute epoxy and some mica powder. So the mica powder is Imperial Jade from Eye Candy Pigments. If you use Jake 15 at checkout, and go and get yourself a nice Electrosum some off at checkout. There you go, just going to spread it all over and try and fill that crack. There you go, just using a bit of compressed air to blow it right in there. Obviously you are meant to use eye protection while you're using resin anyways, but especially if you're going to be using this air compressor and blowing resin around, I would definitely wear them. In this case, you don't want to get epoxy in your eyes. And there we go. Alright, so once that is cured and gone hard, we're going to take that back down to wood. So I've switched the cutter out for the negative rake here to turn the resin away. There's the detailer, back to the rougher, all negative rakes. There you go. Alright, so now we're going to start hollowing the cup. So first we're going to drill it out with the Forstner bit. Go in a little bit and then take it out, and then go back in and take it back out again, just so you reduce the chances of the drill bit getting stuck. Alright, so now we're going to hollow it out. So we've got the lathe up to speed and we're going to use the #1 hollower. Clearing up that rim and making it a little bit thinner here. And go, a couple of last passes. There you go. Alright, so I've already done most of the sanding, so we're just going to sand to 240 grit here with Klingspor Abrasives. Some methylated spirits or denatured alcohol just to clean the grain. Some Hampshire Sheen matte sanding sealer. Some Yorkshire Grit abrasive paste. So you wipe this all over till you have a clean paper towel and you have the equivalent of around about 1000 grit. There you can feel the abrasive breaking down. Buff it in. There you go, last few wipes. There you go. On to the next step. Some Hampshire Sheen Original Lustre Wax. You wipe this all over, you let the solvents evaporate, you turn the lathe up to about 1000 to 1200 and then buff it in. Just build up that heat. You don't want to wipe off any wax that you just put on. Just your fingertips is all that's needed. Don't push too hard. And there you go. Alright, so now we're going to do some shaping. So I've got the tailstock brought up with the EasyWood cone centre, and the tool we're going to use to start off is the #1 hollower. So I went through a few variations of what I thought I wanted this shape to be, but you will see at the end where I ultimately ended up with. Here's the parting tool, just to define where the bottom of the goblet will be. There you go. Alright, back to sanding. This is 240 grit here. Some methylated spirits or denatured alcohol to clean the grain. And for the outside, I am going to use Hampshire Sheen Food and Toy Safe Danish Oil. There you go. Alright, so now we're coming to the end of the video, and now we're going to hard it off. Go, remove the tailstock and switch to a flush cut saw. Here are some pictures. I'd like to thank everybody for watching this video. Please don't forget, hit that thumbs up, click the subscribe button, show your friends, show your family, show your enemies if you like. And if you want to see any more of my videos, click them links on the right hand side. And until next week, I'll see you then. Bye bye for now.